Do you have fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, or trouble cellulite that you can't seem to get rid of? Hi, my name is Kira. I'm a physician assistant at the Novus Center in Studio City, California, and today we're talking about Morpheus. Morpheus is microneedling with radiofrequency. The radiofrequency targets the wound healing cascade. If you were to, say, have a piece of plastic to a flame, it then causes the plastic to shrink, which is exactly what it does to the skin, tightening your fine lines, your wrinkles, and causing neocollagenesis, which adds a little extra plumpness to your skin. Later today, I'll take you guys along with me to see firsthand what the Morpheus treatment is like, and I'll kind of walk you through it as I'm getting it done. If you're interested in Morpheus or just curious about it, please reach out to us here at Novus. We'd love to help you. For Morpheus Face, here at Novus, we treat the face, neck, and the upper chest region. So when you come into office, we'll have you meet with one of our providers. They'll go ahead and numb your face for you, and numbing takes about 50 minutes. If you're treating a body part, you can treat any body part that has a troublesome area, whether you want to do your arms, your abdomen, the sides of your legs. Similar process to the face, the provider will go ahead and numb that area for you, and you'll wait about 50 minutes again. After the 50 minutes is up, we'll go ahead and have you wash off using soap, and we'll have you wash twice to help remove the sheen that the numbing cream creates. After that, we'll then go ahead and begin treatment. Pre-care for Morpheus, we want you to at least be out of the sun for 2 weeks. No sunburns. We also want to make sure that if you are currently treating your face with any retinols, AHAs, or BHAs, you wait 7 days before treatment because we don't want to cause any extra irritation to the skin. Along with other pre-treatment things, we want to make sure that you're clean shaven, whether that's your face, arms, or legs. Along with that, if you have a tattoo in any area, we want to let you know that we will not treat those areas just because with the microneedling and radiofrequency, there is a risk of transferring ink. We wouldn't want to ruin those beautiful tattoos. Immediately post-treatment, you can expect some redness, a little bit of inflammation, and there might be slight itching from the treatment. This is all normal and natural. We'll go ahead and have you put on bacitracin ointment for the first 72 hours. After that, you can go ahead and put on any moisturizer and sunscreen, which is preferred. During this time, make sure you're using a gentle cleanser, whether that's Cetaphil, CeraVe, or Aveeno. You don't want to cause any harsh irritants to the skin while it's healing during this process. For Morpheus, it is suggested that you have 3 treatments. In between each treatment, you'll wait about 4 to 6 weeks for your skin to fully heal and ensures that you see the best results possible. Many people see results from just 1 treatment. With this though, the 3 is suggested so you can see maximum results and longevity of these results as well. If you're interested in Morpheus and would like to know more, please reach out to us at the Novus Center. We would love to help you and treat you soon.